Welcome back to this YouTube channel. I welcome all the returning subscribers, and I want to urge those who have not yet subscribed, please press the subscribe button and like this video, share it with your business partners in Nature's Extract. And today I'll be showing you how to repurchase or how to use the repurchase mall. Be reminded that the repurchase mall is the part of Nature's Extract business that pays you the Unilevel bonus, and it is expected that you purchase at least one product in a month on repurchase in order to qualify for Unilevel bonus. If your business partners or downlines have done their repurchase and you haven't done your own for the month, know that you are going to miss the bonus or the money that you are supposed to earn on the Unilevel bonus. So you need to ensure that at least every month you buy at least one product on repurchase mall. So let's go now to the video where I'll be showing you how you can do that. So let me log into this particular account now. So the account is opened. Then you discover that before you can do this, you need to have the amount of money you need on your transaction wallet. So when you have been funded, then you can come over to the three short lines by the left hand corner of your website or back office. So when you click that, you come to business. When you click on business, you come to repurchase mall. You click on that. So when the repurchase mall opens up, you proceed by entering the username of the person that wants to do the upgrade. So if you are doing the upgrade for yourself, you put your username there. At the moment, I want to do an upgrade for the username Azendas. So I'll click on next page. So when the next page opens, it shows repurchase mall and the details of the individual downline that wants to do the repurchase. Now you need to know that the amount of PV you need in a month to be repurchased to qualify you for your Unilevel bonus also depends on your rank. For those who are below star, with 10 PV you can successfully repurchase or fulfill the requirement for you to benefit the Unilevel bonus. So at the moment there is no products on the list here that is less than 20 PV. So this person is buying Tango capsule, so I select Tango capsule for this repurchase. So after successfully selecting, you have to come down and add it to cart. So when it has been successfully added to cart, you click on next page and you proceed to make your payment. So you can see the next page has opened, and the details of the products we are paying for is also here. We have one Tango capsule of 20 PV. The amount is 13,500. The total also is 13,500. You can then select your mode of payment. At this point, I'm using my transaction wallet to pay, because as you can see, the money I have is in the transaction wallet. So I'll go ahead and click on purchase. Wow, alright guys, we have successfully repurchased Tango capsule. So that is the simple process involved in using the repurchase mall, which is the part of the purchase of Nature's Extract International that qualifies you for the Unilevel award. So let me know if you have any question about this. Leave your question in the comment section of this video, and please do well to like this video so that many more partners of Nature's Extract International can see it. Also share this video with your success lines, your downlines, so that they also know how to make a repurchase or how to use the repurchase mall, which will qualify them for their Unilevel bonus for the month. So alright guys, see you in the next video.